I'm gonna get on your back. In this video, we are uncovering two beautiful oak trees that have been overran by underbrush and vines in the hope of giving them a healthier life and a place for us to enjoy on our property.
Later in the video, we have a question for you guys, but without further ado, let's get started. So I've been letting the tractor warm up for a bit and I'm about to get started over here. I'm using the tractor, not chainsaws, to remove most of this because this is an invasive privet, which is basically nearly impossible to get rid of unless you fully uproot the root system while trying to avoid a lot of the natural ferns and actually good vegetation that's on the ground. So let's get started.
Moving out the way so I don't get smacked in the face by a tree branch. But honestly, I've never seen a more messy area I don't know if it's from the storm or just plain overgrowth, but it is so tangled up back there that I am gonna be so excited when this is all cleared up. Oh my gosh. I know it's probably hard to tell on camera, but that is cleared out so much already. Now just to do all that. I don't know if you can tell how bad the bugs are out here, but I'm like running around in circles and I'm trying to keep moving because they keep biting me on the dang forehead. Just about walked into like a whole swarm of them, literally right then. To get all the vines out. Look what I just found. An old hose. Whoa. That is crazy. we're gonna need a rake for the majority of the ground stuff. Looks so much better.
Definitely did some damage. I'm sure there's some tractor people out there that are just cringing the whole time. It looks a billion times better. I'm sure those trees feel great now. They can actually breathe. These trees are probably at least 50 years old, if not more. You know, they still got another 50 years at least. And so we want to be taking care of them because one day they're going to be, you know, twice as big as this. I think that guy just stalled his engine again.
Anyway, should I get a rake?
Yeah, this place is looking great.
Branch got your neck.
So much stuff got my neck. I should have been wearing a hard hat.
Okay, got big clippers, little clippers, a soft rake, and a hard rake. I don't know if that's the correct terminology, but that's what I'm calling it.
Bit the hell out of me. Ah!
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it like super bad? Because it feels horrible.
No, it's not bad at all. So you think this is the time where I want to pop on and say, ta-da, it's done, but we just made a little bit of a bigger mess. So you saw me raking out in the middle of that, and I just started piling it up in the middle here. Dylan was pulling down vines and cutting up more branches that were just loose off, and these are in a pile. So I guess we're going to be coming back tomorrow with a tractor and swooping this all up. But this area is looking so good. We were just in the Pacific Northwest a few months ago, and these ferns are reminding me all of Washington, and it's so beautiful, and it's crazy that we have this many ferns here, but I can't wait to have our little oasis back here in the woods. All right, we will see you tomorrow.
Oh hey, didn't see you there. One thing I did see coming is Ariat's biggest sale of the year. Happened today, November 24th through the 30th. So if you, like me, are interested in some high quality, multi-purpose, highly functional clothing that is sure to be a lady killing product, be sure to check out Ariat's sale.
I don't know about that, but I do know that they have some really good women's clothing as well. If you're interested in that, there's links down below. Gosh, it is so bright. Dylan went to go get coffee this morning, and I am going to start working. I can't even open my eyes. I'm going to get started working and raking up a bit more, but it's also kind of cold today. Try to make it a little bit easier for when the tractor comes back in here to pick all of this debris up and get it on out of here. Okay, so I just went through the ferns again. I'm just trying to get most of the vines and the branches that are all caught up in here. It looks so much better than it did before. You can actually like see them and see the bottom of them. There's no like big clumps of leaves anywhere. And I'm also just like obsessed with the ferns, like so good. I also found an old fence post tucked away over there. You never know what you're gonna find on this property, I swear. down either. I just want to let it be known that I don't ever want to see another vine again. I just got smacked in the face by one pulling it down from a tree, and they're like rooted in the ground everywhere. So much better. There's still a few little pieces, but wow.
Now that we've got this place cleaned up and we've been spending the last couple of days out here, we hung up a hammock and we've really started enjoying the space a lot more.
Hey.
We've been sort of wondering and wanted to ask you guys this question: what should we do with this space? Some of the ideas we've had are, you know, just simply maybe just leave a hammock out here, or maybe build a day bed that's sort of like a swinging day bed with its own frame. But one idea that really sparked my interest that seems kind of fun would be to do like a micro-sized A-frame cabin. It was like big enough to put a blow-up mattress in if you wanted to have sort of like a fun camp out night, but mostly just there to relax in, read a book, or work out of.
You could have a front porch,
yeah,
set a chair on.
But we're open to pretty much any ideas, so if you will, leave a suggestion in the comment section below, and in future videos we will follow through and pick one of those and actually do something really cool with this new space we have. Now, this is the end of the video, but if you liked this video, I'm sure you would like some of our other videos that we've done very similar to this one. So right now there should be some end screens popping up. You can click on any of these, and we will see you guys next week.
Oh God, I wasn't ready.
It's about to get basty up in here.
Basty? What is that?